Bernadette Peters. You're watching LifeMinute TV.
You know, Broadway is the heartbeat of New York. So the fact that we're premiering this movie and in New York City after Broadway has returned, the day after the Tony Awards, is really exciting.
Which he won one, in case you didn't know.
I did win a Tony Award last night, but it feels incredibly poetic and right that this is the way it's happening. I'm so happy you're here.
You had won so many Tonys.
That's what everyone thinks, but I've only been working for 25 years and not gotten any. I've never been nominated.
So much in the plot.
I know.
I kept thinking that he's gonna.
No, first nomination. Yeah.
Yeah, it's thrilling. I mean, it feels right to be happening here because Broadway is here and New Yorkers understand the importance of theater and love theater as much as we do. So
Yeah, it was very meaningful to be a part of the season bringing Broadway back to New York City, and to be in that room celebrating each other in that season was. We've been to a lot of Tony Awards, but obviously this one meant a lot because I won. But the whole room felt very electric last night, and then to come off of that and then premiere this film with a lot of my friends from Broadway is just, more than I could have ever asked for.
I mean, we started working on this when everything was completely shut down. So we were having conversations with Broadway folks, producers, directors, and everyone was just idle because we didn't know what was going to happen. So, it was a leap of faith for a lot of them because they were trying to reopen Broadway, and then also to add this on top of that, this film. It took a lot of trust in us to let us participate and watch.
It just shows how audiences love live theater, how much they just love the performers and the pieces and what it reveals about humanity, and there's always a place for it, thank God, So we're so glad that we're back. What's next for me? I'm doing lots of concerts. I'm going to Nashville to do a concert. I have a show coming out on Apple TV with Patricia Arquette called High Desert, and there's other things